Hello and welcome back. In this video I'll demonstrate how to mix various colors that can be used to create a sky. All of these colors that I mix follow the same principle. Start with generous amount of cobalt blue on the upper part of the sky. This is the simplest way to paint a sky. Just two basic colors, white and cobalt blue, you can create a blue sky. Using flat brush with horizontal brush strokes, add more white to make the color lighter. Use more white at the bottom and start blending. Now I will show you how to create blue sky using three colors: white plus cobalt blue plus ultramarine. Using white plus cobalt blue for the first base coat. Now add more cobalt blue to sky. Start using horizontal brush strokes and blend with base coat layer. I am using wet on wet technique to achieve all the transitions in the sky. Now add bit of ultramarine to upper part of the sky. Using dry brush to blend all the colors. Now I will show you how to create sunset or sunrise using orange, deep yellow, lemon plus white. Using orange on the top, then add deep yellow to it. Use horizontal brush strokes and blend with other layer. Using lemon yellow. Using white at the bottom, then blend the colors. Creating pink sky using three colors: violet, pink plus white. Added pink in the middle layer, then add violet on the top and blend both the colors. Use white at the bottom. Use horizontal brush strokes to blend the colors. If this video is helpful, kindly do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.